Effects of forces. How do forces influence the motion of objects? Forces are all around us. A force is a push or a pull due to the interaction of objects. Pushing an object along the floor or ground becomes more difficult because of a force called friction. Friction acts between two surfaces, always in the direction opposite to which the object is moving. Friction also takes place in air and water. For example, an object falling to ground experiences a force acting against its downward motion. Similarly, a boat moving through water also experiences an opposing force. The faster it moves, the greater the resistance it experiences. A force can also change the shape of the object. It can squash and stretch an object temporarily or permanently. In all the examples given, multiple forces act on the object. Simultaneously, we can show the sizes and directions of the forces acting on an object using arrows. Air-resistant friction, gravity. A falling object, for example, has gravity and air resistance acting on it. Notice that the two arrows in the diagram are not equal in length, indicating unequal magnitude of the two opposing forces. We describe this as unbalanced. Since the forces are unbalanced, the object will move in the direction where the force is largest. A ship that started sailing from rest is also an example of an object experiencing an unbalanced force. Now, what does an unbalanced and balanced force look like? Balanced forces mean that the sum of the forces acting on the object is zero. The size of the arrows are equal and pointed in opposite directions in a diagram. Since the forces are balanced, the object may be stationary or moving at a consistent velocity. A box at rest on a table is an example of an object acted upon by balanced forces. Can you think of other examples where forces are at play? How would our moment and delay activities change if forces were always balanced?